All of us here at Construction Illustrated Reports, thank you for viewing this documentary reflecting the 10 top commercial, industrial, heavy construction projects active in San Francisco right now in the month of September of 2017. Of course, we can only provide a small number of projects per each edition, and we have identified what we here at CIR feel are the 10 top jobs active in San Francisco at this moment. The challenge for CIR is to first consolidate this group of 10 top San Francisco jobs into one CIR edition, and within the 14 and a half minutes that CIR is allowed, while at the same time providing 14 and a half minutes of documentary material in such a way so as to keep the eye of you, the viewer, the audience, throughout the entire video. This is quite a challenge. However, we feel that both the audio and video portion combined in this particular video reflects that we have successfully kept the attention of our viewers. However, you, the viewer, you make the call. After you have reviewed the entire video, please contact us at 415-671-9842 and let us know what kind of a job we did. We appreciate your feedback. Thank you. We are looking at the Chase Center right now, and the big ticket work item now is excavation for the mat foundation and footing for the third arena core. And this was placed as well as the continuation of excavation for the fourth mat foundation. Mobilization of rigs and equipment is also being provided to the lower level Sec 2 parking elevations to continued deep footing foundations. Please refer to the previous footage that illustrates how the drilling to bedrock works. The rigs and equipment that you observed in the footage previously are core drilling holes into the earth. Then other huge blue mobile cranes pick up the caged prefabricated 50-foot long rebar steel and vertically provide installation and installing them into each core drilled into the earth. And then the next part of this process involves filling each hole with reinforced concrete. So you see the concrete trucks around the site, and that's what they're doing, pumping concrete into the holes. And the previous illustration reflects the deep shaft foundations serving to stabilize the building footing and foundations and provide resistance to the sinking or tilting of the structure. Other activities include providing and installing cranes 2 and 3, and the future activity coming up on the Chase Center project will be the erection of additional tower building construction cranes along the South Street side of the project, similar to the other cranes that have already been installed. Other activity that you might be able to identify in the Chase Center project is a scope of work that involves a subcontractor that is providing and installing an impermeable barrier up against the existing inside perimeter of the pit wall that will be resistant to subsurface drainage coming back, or water coming back into the job site. Thank you. I have allowed the entire item B Salesforce Tower footage to go by, as I have consumed time, too much time, narrating the identification of work items in item A, Chase Center. So please forgive me, my bad. However, allow me to get back on track by briefly saying about Salesforce Tower, formerly known as Trans Bay Tower. This is a 1,070 linear foot high office skyscraper under construction in San Francisco and almost complete. It's located in the South of Market area, due to open in 2018. And it is the tallest building in San Francisco at 61 floors, and the estimated cost is $1.1 billion US, and is located at First and Fremont in San Francisco. Thank you. This portion of this video is identified as item C, the 150 Van Ness Avenue, a luxury apartment complex provided by Clark Construction. The cost estimate is approximately 140 million US dollars. The project is located near the Civic Center, or in the Civic Center area, I should say, located 1 block from the City Hall. The completion date is scheduled for 2018-19. It should open about April of 2019, and it should be completed in 2018. And it's considered a multi-family apartment complex or building. So it has many amenities, an array of amenities, including a rooftop terrace, a lap swimming pool on the 3rd floor, a spa, a golf simulator, a yoga studio, and basketball courts. And you may remember the previous structure in this area, or at that location. It was the old AAA building, and the headquarters has been demolished to make way for this apartment complex. Thank you. This next item, D, you have already looked at while I was commenting on item C, 150 Van Ness Avenue apartment complex. Please allow me to catch up by commenting on this item D as in Dan, number 51st Street. The cost estimate on this project is 400 million US dollars. Now, this 51st Street tower is by Swinnerton and Wahlberg / Webcor joint venture. This will be the 2nd tallest building in San Francisco, a part of Oceanwide Center. Thank you. Please work with me on this. You're seeing item F, 450 Folsom Street Tower on the video clip, but please allow me to go back and comment on the previous item E, 500 Folsom Street Tower, Trans Bay Block 9. This is a 42-story high-rise currently under construction. The project will include 109 affordable units out of 524 units total provided. The builder is Bellflower Beatty, and the project is expected to be completion date 2019. Thank you. Even though we're looking at item number G, I have to refer you back to item number F, 450 Folsom Street. Please continue to have patience with me. Item number F in the clip is Transbay Block 8, located at 450 Folsom Street. And this is identified as the 450 Folsom Street Tower. And this is one of two projects being built on the Transbay Block 8 by Related California and TNDC. And the project is a 550 linear foot high, 55-story residential building, and it has a total of 466 units, which 70 of those units will be affordable housing units. Thank you. We are currently watching item number G, 160 Folsom Street Tower. And this is located on Transbay Block 1, also known as the Twisty Tower. This is a 39-story tower built by developers Tishman and Speyer with 40% affordable housing. Thank you. We are currently viewing item number H, the Transbay Transit Center project. The Transbay Transit Center project is a visionary transportation and housing project that transforms downtown San Francisco and the San Francisco Bay Area's regional transportation system by way of creating what's referred to as a Grand Central Station of the West, as it is called, in the heart of a new transit-friendly neighborhood within San Francisco. This approximate $6 billion US dollar project will replace the former transit system at First and Mission Street in San Francisco with a modern regional transit hub connecting 8 Bay Area counties and the state of California through 11 transit systems: AC Transit, BART, Caltrain, Golden Gate Transit, Greyhound, Muni, Samtrans, West Cal Cat Links, Amtrak, Paratransit, and the future high-speed rail from San Francisco to Los Angeles and Anaheim. This project will include a new neighborhood with homes, offices, parks, and shops surrounding the new transit center, also including affordable housing. Thank you. Of course, we're looking at item J, 1500 Mission Street, or also termed as the Goodwill Project. However, I have to indulge on your patience once again and refer you back to item I, the Central Subway, San Francisco MTA. The Central Subway project will extend the Muni Metro T line, 3rd Street line,